Our first lesson is about statistical question. What is statistical question? And what is non-statistical question? Okay, statistical question is a question that you can get answer by doing data collection. Whereas non-statistical question, if you want to get answer, no need to do any data collection. Okay, look at the example. How tall are the students in class 1 Lily 2? How to know their height? You need to do data collection. For example, you can go to the class and interview all the students to know their height. Look at the next example. How tall is Ali? This is non-statistical question because you can get answer by just ask Ali. Ali, what is your height? And then Ali will answer. No need to do data collection. No need to go to the class and then ask many students and then you have to jot down their height. No need to do that. Just call Ali and then ask and then you can get answer. And then look at the answer for statistical question. If you go to the class and then you interview all the students, the first student may answer his height is 169 centimeters. And then the second student you ask 170 centimeters. And then the third student and the fourth student also tell you their height. And then you jot down all their height. So you get different answer. 169, 170, 175, 176. Variety of answers. So, statistical question, if you ask, you get different answers. Whereas, non-statistical question, you only get one answer because you ask Ali, what is your height? Ali said 169 cm. You get only one answer. Okay. So move to the next slide for the next example. Look at the second example. Statistical question. What is the favorite food of the students in class 1 Daisy 2? How to get the answer for this question? You can do data collection. How? You can do a survey for the students in this class to get the answer for this statistical question. Whereas, look at the example for non-statistical question. What is Aina's favorite food? To get the answer for this question, no need to do any survey. Just call Aina and ask, what is your favorite food, Aina? And then Aina will ask your question. Look at the answer for statistical question. Before that, just now you do an interview for class 1 Lily 2. But for this class, you can do a survey. How to do a survey is you can prepare your question on a piece of paper and then you list all the possible answers and then put space to tick the answers that the student choose. After that, you photostate and then you distribute to the class and ask them to answer. After that, you collect back all the answers and then look at all the answers that you get. For example, Maybe the first student give nasi lemak, write nasi lemak, tick nasi lemak as her favourite food. And then the second student fried noodle, the third student laksa. So you can get answer for your question by doing survey. And the answers that you get, different answers, variety of answer, nasi lemak, fried noodle, laksa, different answers. But for non-statistical question, the answer that you may get is only one answer. For example, Aina said her favourite food is nasi lemak. Only one answer. Okay, after looking at the two examples, now can you really understand statistical question? I hope so. So look at actually the meaning of statistical question. Statistical question is a question that can be answered by collecting data. For example, by doing a survey, by doing an interview. Okay, next, continue. And there will be variability or diversity in the data related to the question. You may get variety of answer, different of answers if you ask statistical question. Look at activity book page 148 number 1. Mark tick for the statistical question and cross if not. Look at question B first. What is your name? Okay, this is statistical question or not? Yes, not. Because you may get answer for this question by just ask your friend, what is your name? No need to do any data collection. No need to do any survey. No need to do any interview. So this is not non-statistical question. So you cross. Look at C. What is Haris' mass now? So you can ask Haris, what is your mass? Maybe Haris answer 50 kg, 50 kilogram. So no need to do any data collection. Just ask Haris and then you can get answer. So this is non-statistical question. Okay, next. A. What is the lifespan of bulb or brand X? Brand X, for example, Philips, brand Philips. So how to get your answer? Yes, you can do data collection. You can do a survey for a few consumers of this brand. In the survey, you can ask the lifespan of bulb of Philips brand. And then you may get different answers. Maybe the first consumer said 2 years. And then the second consumer 2.5 years. And then the third consumer 3 years. Okay, why different answers for same brand? Because if the first consumer always on and off the bulb, then the lifespan shorter. If the next consumer seldomly on and off, then the bulb lifespan is longer. So you will get different answers, variety of answers, 2.5 years, 2 years, 3 years, 3.5 years. So by collecting data, you get different answers. So this question is statistical question. Last one, D. How many books read by student of Form 1 Cergas in a month? Okay, how to know? How to get your answer? How many books read by student of Form 1 Cergas? You can collect data by doing an interview. You go to the class and then you ask every student the number of books they read every month in 1 month. So you can get different answers from the students. The first student said only 2 books read for a month. The second student 3 books. The third student 5 books in a month. So you get different answers by doing an interview. So this is statistical question.